What's going on guys, Luke Paul here, and in today's video we'll be making shark tacos. Let's start with the tortillas. To a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, half a cup of vegetable oil, and whisk it to combine. Now you're gonna add 1 cup of water and be sure to split all over yourself in your tortillas. That was just a joke. Don't do that. Using the most inconvenient utensil, a whisk, mix together until a shaggy dough is formed. Add 1 teaspoon of salt as well as the rest of the water which fell the first time. Lightly flour a work surface and slap that bad boy on there. And just pull the pieces together until a smooth dough is formed. Add more water if needed. In a lightly greased bowl, add that in there and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. Now, let's go on to the main part of the video, the shark. In a large bowl filled with water, squeeze 2 large limes. Just throw the halves in there, just cause why not? Now, let's season these bad boys. And the 2 limes which I left in there for some apparent reason. Add 1 tablespoon green seasoning, a few dashes of bitters, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon adobo, a few dashes of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoon roasted jeera. A lot of ingredients, I know. Mix them together and leave them to marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Now, let's get back to our tortillas.
Cut your dough into 45-gram pieces. Oh yeah, look at those cuts. Roll them out, cutting the edges if needed to make a rough circle. To your frying pan or griddle, set to medium-high heat. Spray it down with some Pam and cook it for 3 minutes, flipping occasionally or until it looks like mine. Be sure to dry out your shark properly before frying to ensure maximum crispiness. To a mixing bowl that's too small to work with, add half a cup of flour and 1 cup cornstarch.
Holding it as high as you can to mess up your black shirt.
Add some salt and pepper, mix it up, and be fancy with it. I don't know why you're still watching this, but add your dried shark to your flour mixture and shake off any excess. On medium heat for 6 minutes or until an internal temperature of 147 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that you've seen these juicy, succulent pieces of meat, enjoy this B-roll. To make the salsa, add your tomatoes, onions, cilantro, cayenne pepper, lime, salt, and black pepper. You could post this, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Let's make your cilantro lime sauce. Add Greek yogurt, cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper to a blender and blend until smooth. Adjust salt to taste. Now, it's time to plate.